Good day, this is David, or Dave. This is my trailer, right? On my, it's a trailer which is more a little bit 48 inches long, large by 12 feet long, and then trailer is attached to my 1983 Corolla. Alright, now the attach was quite rusted, and what do you want to see a rusted piece? So what I did is I cleaned it very well using my grinder, and then I painted. This is the first coat, and just to let you know, it will end up like the same, my deck, my moho deck, with the same pattern I have on my John Deere with that it's a it's funny, it's black and black stripe with on yellow. Alright, so this is the first coat, so I will do another update for the one when I do paint the black layout. Alright.